Hey, welcome back to the Halftime Homestead. So I purchased this property and the previous owner built this shed. It's not great, but it's adequate. So I need to enclose this. I've already done that part, but I wanted to show you what I did because I don't have anything to lean the ladder against. Yes, that ladder is tall, but that center section is super high. So I was not able to lean against anything to put that up. So I built these out of the corner pieces I cut off, because I did both sides. I did the other side yesterday. I'm doing this side today. So the corner pieces I cut off, I just took a 27 inch of a 2x4 to go across the span here, and then a 12-inch one coming down. And I built these. And then I put a screw in the edge right here. So when I put it in there, it sits out roughly just in front of that screw tip sticking up right there. Sticks out about that far for the plywood to rest on. And then on the front of this, I took some more scrap. OSB. Just cut 48 inches. And then I bolt that to the front to lean my ladder against. I'll put it up and show you what I'm talking about here. So that's it installed there. I've only used one screw on each rafter there and there just to hold it. It's not going to slide. And then I'll go up and I'll put on that piece of plywood on the front. Now on these corners I don't need to use the lean-to, but I'll stick it on there just so you can see what it looks like. So that's what the 48-inch piece of OSB put on the front there, just to give me the benefit of something to lean against. Now you can take the ladder, and I had the ladder leaning against it in order to put the big giant piece in the middle. But this other one, like I said, I don't need to do that, but I'll put the wood up there so you can check it out, how it holds it. So that's holding the OSB in where I kind of need it. Like I said, I just have two screws out here sticking up about 1.25 inches so I can lean the wood out so it won't fall on my face or my head. And I want you all to know that using a skill saw is not how I lost my thumb. And that's how I am putting up OSB on a giant opening. Again, this is all temporary, about 3 years what I'm looking to get out of it. I don't think the previous owner did a very good job. It snows a lot here in Idaho. He used 2x4s on the top. He never finished the roof, so I'm just trying to finish it out for winter, just to enclose it. I'll make doors someday. There you have it. From Idaho, Halftime out.